So, what were some of the cultural things that hit you right away, and you said, "Okay, I wish I had prepared myself better for this."
See, few of my learnings, and till date, I mean, I've been traveling across every 2 months. I'm in UK or US and Australia, but
Sure.
still, when I land there, there is some kind of switch we need to do. Wherein I always say India is comfort, international it's convenient. Here there is, you will have lots of people who will support and help without even asking.
Right.
There are people who's happy to help, but you need to seek.
Of course.
Don't expect that if you fall, there will people who come and help you. But if you ask, there will be people to help you. So that asking,
Right.
is something which get prepared. That don't expect that people will come to you and you're entitled to help. You need to
Right.
seek help, and it's okay to ask help.
Right.
Then everything is each per person,
Yeah.
per each. Even if you're going somewhere, even if it's a pool in,
Right.
no one will ask for money. You need to Dutch in yourself. So everything is each.
Right.
Right.
Everyone goes Dutch, and it's
Yes, and
everyone's,
it's normal. It's
yeah,
natural.
yeah, of course.
It's in fact it's considered rude if you don't Dutch in and on your own.
Right.
Most likely, no one will gonna ask that. Oh, what is your share?
Sure.
At least that what happened with me, and it's like, oh, no one is asking. It's free lunches. I went once, second time and third time I invite everyone. I paid for everyone.
Right.
It doesn't work this way, right? Then the Western society is very individualist society.
Sure.
Right? So don't try to. I mean, no one likes to be too close in their space. Everyone needs their space. Here in India or in Asia, we are like, if someone is sitting with you, like, okay, I'll keep sitting till the time, he or she needs you around.
Right.
But out there, they're very clear about their time.
Got it.
And anyone who come very close to their space, generally they don't like it.
Right.
So
Do you
these are
think
few.
that's a UK thing, or it's also like that in the US as well?
For sure, US. I mean, UK still there's lots of Indianness. US is very dry. Australia is again, they are probably more Indianness.
Right.
But these few things are still remain individualistic each. So I would say it's more US thing than even UK, because UK now have become very used to Indianness. They're more Indianness.
Right.
Than in US.
Right.
So yeah.